One great thing about being able to convert any of your files to PDF is that it protects the original copy from being modified when you share it to your colleagues or your audience. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can convert any of your Microsoft Office files into PDF, whether it's a Word document or PowerPoint presentation, an Excel spreadsheet, and all the rest in the Microsoft Office bundles. Hello everyone, this is Sir Z, a public grade school teacher who loves to learn new things that has something to do with productivity, technology, and creativity. Like what the title says, there are 3 methods that you can do this. To give you an overview, I will do all 3 on a Word document. But again, you can apply these methods with any files you made using Microsoft Office applications. And then I'll throw in some quick montage doing the procedures in PowerPoint, Excel, and then with Publisher. So let's get right to it. So for the first method, we will use the Save As option. In your Word document, click File, and then Save As. Give it a decent file name or leave it as is. Set to PDF. If the indicated destination is the right one, hit Save. But if you want to customize the conversion process, click the More Options link. The More Options menu looks the same as the Save As window, except for PDF, you're given some more customization settings that you can change. The Optimize For option allows you to set the quality of the conversion. Standard will give you the highest quality, but the file will take up more space. That means the file size will be bigger, while the minimum size, on the other hand, will convert the document to a lower quality, but will only take lesser space. But it's best to always set it on standard. Tick or check this box to display the PDF file after the conversion. At default, the tick box is already checked, just like how you see it here. To further customize the process, click the Options button. Page range allows you to specify if you will convert all the pages to PDF, only the page you are currently on, or only the specific pages you will set here. Never mind the next options, but for Optimize for image quality down here, it's up to you if you will tick or leave this box unchecked. For me, I'll just leave it unticked or unchecked. Hit OK and then hit Save. And there you go. If you're still back here and the indicated destination is not where you want the PDF to be saved, click Browse. It will bring you to the same window where you can choose the destination. But make sure to set the Save As type to PDF to show you the other settings we discussed earlier if you need to do some more adjustments. Hit Save to initiate the conversion. The second method is the Export option. Go to the file and then Export. The Create PDF or XPS document is already selected as default. Click the Create PDF XPS button over here. Just like in the first method, it will pull up a window that is similar to the Save As window with all the customization options available down here. Assign the destination, customize if you want but often not necessary, and then once all set, hit Publish. The third way is to use the print option, and this is what I often do because I can speed up my workflow by instantly pulling up the print menu using Ctrl+P on my keyboard. Open the print menu by either going to File and then Print, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+P or Command+P if you're using Mac. In the print menu, change the default printer to Microsoft Print to PDF. And then click on the button Print. The Save As window will be displayed again, but in this one, we don't have the customization options that we saw in the other 2 methods. But that's all fine because here everything is set to default or standard. Enter a file name, and then hit Save. And those are the different ways or methods you can use to convert any Microsoft Office files to PDF. As long as there is an option to save, export, or print, you will be able to convert that file into PDF format. Now I'm going to use the same procedures in PowerPoint, Excel, and Publisher. convert any of your Microsoft Office files into PDF, whether it's a Word document, PowerPoint presentation, Excel sheet, and so on. And if you're doing a lot of researching on the internet for your work, report, or for your school paper, and you wish you could save a copy of all the websites that you visited for your future reference or maybe reading materials, I have a video on how you can convert online web pages to PDF format as well. I know that's going to be a big help with what you're doing for your work or for your school. Do check that out. The link is in the description box down below and at the end card of this video. Please don't forget to click that like button. If you found some value from this tutorial, consider subscribing for more and hit the bell icon so that I'll be able to invite you if again we have something new to learn. Sir Z or simply Z here at your service. Thank you so much everyone for sharing your time and see you in the next video.